Hi, second graders. Today is September 17th. It's Thursday. We are on lesson 3, and your math target today is I can count up between 90 and 100. So today, I want to show you one thing that on some of your math pages, they're going to draw the representation of ones, tens, and hundreds a little bit differently than your teachers draw them. And that's because the way that the book draws them is harder for a human being to draw. So we changed it a little bit. So the drawings in the book will look like popsicle sticks. Ones will be one popsicle stick. Tens will be a small bundle of 10. And hundreds will be a large bundle of popsicle sticks of 100 or 10 tens. So I'll show you what that picture looks like in your book or your pages. So this would be ones, these would be tens, and these would be hundreds. It's a little harder for a human being to draw, so we won't be drawing them that way. We will be drawing them this way, just like we did in other lessons. Ones will be circles, tens will be a line, and hundreds will be squares. Okay, and you'll get the hang of it very fast. Okay. So let's look at these. If we are representing our ones, tens, and hundreds this way, these are all ones, tens, hundreds, but they're jumbled. How many are in all? So a strategy you could use is to draw the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, and write a little line above them so that when you count them, here's my ones, they're circles, 1, 2, 3. I have 3 ones. I can put them right in the spot I made for the ones place. And then I can count my tens because that would be next. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And for my hundreds, I'm counting the squares. 1, 2 hundreds. So all together, I have 243. We're going to draw, label, and box 428. So I'm going to draw it. That would be 428. There's 428. And then it wants me to put a box around it. Basically, that's saying that's my start number. Now I'm going to count by drawing pictures of the units I'm going to use to count from 428 to 600. I forgot to label. This is 428. So I'm going to count on until I get to 600. So when I do that, I'm going to notice my ones place, I want to get it to the next unit. If I'm counting by ones, my next unit is tens. So I want to get to the tens place to be counting only by tens. So to do that, I need to add one more one. So if I add one more one, that would make it 429. If I add another one, that makes it 430. This is where we say new unit. I am now able to count by tens. I don't have any ones left, so I can count by tens. If I add a 10, it becomes 440. 10 more, 450. I'm going to keep going. 460. 470. Ran out of room, so I'm going to come below. 480, 490. One more 10 makes it 500. New unit. I'm in a new unit. I don't have any ones. I don't have any tens. Now I get to count by 100. So I'm going to draw a square. 600 if I'm counting by hundreds. And guess what? That was my goal. So I'm going to circle my goal. I'm going to give myself a smiley face. I did it. I made my goal. Let's try another one. Let's show a way to count from 578. This time I'm going to just box the number, but I am going to draw the units as I go because that helps me realize when I've switched counting units. So again, I have 8 in the ones place, so I'm going to go one more to make this 579. Another one more makes it 580. New unit! I don't have any ones left. Now I get to count by tens. So I'm going to add a 10 rod. That makes it 590. Another 10 rod makes it 600. Up. New unit! Okay, now I get to count by hundreds. I'm going to add a box for my hundreds. That makes it 700. Oh, that was my goal. I'm going to circle it. Smiley face. I made my goal.